Hey guys, welcome back. This is my second ukulele video. The first one was basic chords for people that are beginners to the ukulele. If you haven't watched that, it'd be worth watching if you want to learn some more chords. Other than that, if you just want to learn the Adventure Time song, that's what we'll be doing today. It's a theme song from the TV show. And the 4 chords are G, D, C, D, and it's in standard tuning. So we will get started. Our first chord is going to be a G chord. It looks like this. And that is the pointer finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd string. Your let's see, your 3rd finger here, your ring finger, is going to go on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. And then your middle finger is going to go on this last string here. I'll lift it up so you can see. But that one's going to go there on the last string on the 2nd fret. So it's going to look like a little triangle like that. And that's going to be your first chord. Or, yeah, your first note. It's going to be a G. It's going to sound like that. Probably a little better. Let's see. So that's the G. That's the first note we're going to learn. And then the second one is going to be D, and that is these 3 strings right here. You see on the 2nd fret, or I'm sorry, let's see, yeah, the 2nd fret. It's hard looking at it like in a different angle, but it's going to be these 3 strings on the 2nd fret is going to be your D, and you're going to put these first 3 fingers right there, just like that. See that? And that's going to be your D chord. And it's going to sound like this. And then your 3rd chord is just a C, ring finger, 3rd fret, last string. So that is your C chord. And then the last one again is the D. So we already learned the D. But just to show you again, it's like that. 2nd fret, first 3 strings, these 3 fingers. So we got the G, then we got the D, the C, and then the D again. So we're going to do those all in a row. So G, D, C, D. So after you've practiced those chords in a row, it should sound like this. First chord for the first part of the lyrics is G. So it's going to be Adventure Time. Then it's going to be D. Come on, grab your friends. And then the next one's going to be C. We'll go to very. And then the next one's D. Distant lands. So that's the first part. So practice that. So Adventure Time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. And then we'll go to the next part, which is with Jake the dog. And then it's going to be D. And Finn the human. And then C. The fun will never end. And then D. It's adventure time. Now we're going to play the song. Adventure time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant land with Jake the dog and Finn the human. The fun will never end. It's adventure time. So that's what it sounds like without a pick. So yeah, just keep practicing that, and I will play it one more time with a pick so you can hear what it sounds like with a pick as well. Adventure time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant land with Jake the dog and It's adventure time. I hope you guys enjoyed learning Adventure Time with me today, and if you like this video, give it a like, and then I'll upload some more in the future. Otherwise, I would say leave a comment, but these 2 videos I've posted so far, that YouTube, I made them kid-friendly, so YouTube just disables it where you can leave a comment, unfortunately, but I'll probably enable comments in the future, so you guys can give me some feedback. Otherwise, enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you next time.